Realme has introduced the Realme Note 60, a new addition to its Note series and the successor to the Note 50 in Indonesia. This budget-friendly smartphone offers a blend of improved features and thoughtful design, making it a compelling choice for users seeking value for money. The Realme Note 60 retains a 6.74-inch HD+ display with a 90Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and responsive interactions. The screen, which features a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels, is an IPS LCD panel offering vibrant colors and decent brightness levels, with a peak brightness of up to 560 nits. This makes the phone usable even in moderately bright outdoor conditions. The display also boasts a 180Hz touch sampling rate, enhancing the overall touch responsiveness, which is particularly beneficial for gaming and fast-paced activities. In terms of design, the Realme Note 60 continues with a flat, modern look, which is both sleek and functional. The phone's body dimensions are 167.26 by 76.67 by 7.84 millimeters, and it weighs 187 grams, making it relatively lightweight and easy to handle. One of the notable upgrades from its predecessor is the improved durability. The Note 60 is rated IP64 for dust and splash resistance, a step up from the IP54 rating of the Note 50. This improvement means the phone offers better protection against environmental elements, making it more durable in various conditions. Under the hood, the Realme Note 60 is powered by the Unisoc T612 processor. This octa-core chip, built on a 12nm process, is paired with a Mali G57 GPU, which together delivers sufficient performance for everyday tasks such as browsing, social media, and light gaming. The phone is available in multiple configurations to suit different user needs, with options for 4GB, 6GB, or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM. In addition to the physical RAM, Realme has included a virtual RAM feature that provides up to 16GB of additional memory, bringing the total potential RAM to 24GB. This feature is particularly useful for multitasking, as it allows the phone to keep more apps open in the background without slowing down. Storage options are also flexible, with models offering 64GB, 128GB, or 256GB of internal storage. For users who need even more space, the Note 60 supports expandable memory of up to 2TB via a microSD card. This means users can store a vast amount of data, including photos, videos, and apps, without worrying about running out of space. The Realme Note 60 comes equipped with a new 32-megapixel rear camera, a significant upgrade from its predecessor. This camera features an f1.8 aperture, which allows for better low-light photography by letting in more light. The camera is supported by an LED flash, which further enhances its ability to capture clear images in dim conditions. Whether you're taking photos of landscapes, portraits, or close-ups, the camera delivers sharp and detailed images, making it a versatile tool for everyday photography. On the front, the Note 60 houses a 5-megapixel camera within the notch, which is suitable for video calls and selfies. While it may not offer the same level of detail as the rear camera, it still performs adequately for social media posts and casual photography. Security on the Realme Note 60 is handled by a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which is both fast and convenient. This positioning allows for quick unlocking of the phone without having to pick it up or turn it on. Additionally, the phone includes a 3.5mm audio jack, a feature that is becoming increasingly rare in modern smartphones, allowing users to connect wired headphones without the need for an adapter. The bottom-ported speaker provides decent audio output, suitable for media consumption. Connectivity options are robust, with support for dual 4G VoLTE, ensuring clear voice calls and fast data speeds on compatible networks. The Note 60 also supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.0, and GPS plus GLONASS for accurate navigation and location services. The phone charges via a USB Type-C port, which is becoming the standard for modern devices, ensuring faster data transfer and charging capabilities. The Realme Note 60 is equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery, which should provide ample power for a full day of use under normal conditions. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing the web, or engaging in light gaming, the battery is designed to keep you connected without the constant need to recharge. However, when it does come time to recharge, the phone supports 10 watts charging. which is relatively modest by today's standards, but should be sufficient for most users. The Realme Note 60 is available in two color options, Marble Black and Voyager Blue, both of which have a stylish and premium look. The pricing is competitive, with the base model, 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage priced at approximately USD 90. The mid-tier model, 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage, is available for approximately USD 103. And the top-tier model, 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, cost approximately $129. The Realme Note 60 offers a well-rounded package for budget-conscious consumers. With its upgraded camera, enhanced durability, and improved performance features, it stands out as a strong contender in the budget smartphone market. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a secondary device, the Note 60 provides excellent value for its price, making it a smart choice for users in Indonesia and potentially in other markets where it may be released.